Halli hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and I'm just curious to know if you have heard of Karrot with a K. And Karrot is a buy and sell secondhand thrifty app that you can use in your local neighborhood or further afield if you want to. And I kept getting ads on TikTok, so I broke down, installed the app, and you know what? Let's see what we got in our first Karrot haul.
So I've never seen this before, but how this person completes their sales is pretty cool. So they have this big weatherproof box and they have all of the items they sold in the box. You take out your bag. They've provided you with an envelope and a marker. You put the money in there and then put your payment into their payment box.
Alrighty, so this is what we got in our amazing Karrot goodie bag. This gorgeous long life Century 2 aquarium air pump, and it is very, very vintage, along with the long life corner filter. So those two definitely go together, and they were totally unused according to the seller. They were just, in storage from what I'm assuming is the 80s from the look of these boxes. Also, another 80s special, which I'm sure every Gen X had in their house, and this was a freebie. Look, do you guys remember these type of paper towel holders that you have to unscrew the top to put the paper towel on and off? I mean, I just love this so much because it's from the 80s, and hey, it was free, so why not, right? Okay, and now, of course, we have to do the fun refashionista thing. So let us start with this bag of sunglasses. How awesome. And sunglasses at my local thrift store are really insanely priced. I do not understand why. So getting a bunch of sunglasses that I can, stick things on or refashion or do whatever the heck I want to do with them is amazing, because this was just a couple of dollars for all of these sunglasses, and some of them are pretty cool, actually. And again, I don't care if they're real Ray-Bans or real Marc Jacobs. I do not care. I just want to, make them into something else or stick a bunch of cool stuff around them. So that's exactly what we shall be doing in a future tutorial. And as always, saving the best for last here. 3 brand new, unused, in the package vintage neckties. And I don't know why the thrift stores here are now charging like $9.99 and up for a used necktie, but they are. So this is fantastic because I have tons of ideas for neckties. So let's open them and see what we got. This pattern is so pretty and it's shimmery and I just love it so much. This one, I don't know if it's blue or black because I haven't opened it, but oh, it is black. And look, those two are going to make a perfect pair. And you know what? I have an idea floating around my refashionista brain here for what to make with these already. So, and ooh, oh, okay. This one isn't quite wow, that is hilarious. Okay, you guys, you must remember these from the 80s. They are the zipper necktie. So you never, ever, ever, how do you do this now? Is there instructions? I think there is. You never had to actually learn how to tie a tie. You just, oh, there we go. There's the instructions. You just pulled it, right? So it says, hold the knot with one hand, with the other hand, pull the top of the loop to loosen, and then pull it to tighten. Absolutely. Please do let me know down below if Karrot is in fact available in your part of the world and if you have used it, because it is yet another alternative to buying new or even popping off to the thrift shop. And you can see the prices are actually better than the thrift shops nowadays. So yeah, I'll put the link to the Karrot app down below and you can check it out if you haven't already.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.